Welcome crypto market fam. Are you ready for some thrilling updates in the crypto world? We've got some exciting news that you definitely don't want to miss. In a recent tweet, Patrick L. Riley, CEO of Xrp Financial, hinted at an exciting development for XRP. According to Riley, Arrington Capital, a digital asset management firm specializing in blockchain-based capital markets, has filed with the SEC for an XRP-based hedge fund. The hedge fund, named Arrington XRP Capital, will invest in early-stage venture and public markets. If approved, the XRP Hedge Fund would grant XRP increased exposure to institutional investors. This is great news for XRP, as digital asset investment products saw the largest single weekly inflows since July 2022, totaling $199 million. Secondly, crypto exchange Bittrex has filed a motion to dismiss the lawsuit brought against it by the SEC, arguing that the SEC lacks the authority to regulate crypto assets and securities without specific authorization from Congress. This challenge aims to develop a clearer regulatory framework that aligns with the unique nature of digital assets. And lastly, in a stunning revelation, an anonymous official from the SEC has reportedly disclosed that Gary Gensler, the chairman of the SEC, has submitted his resignation following an internal investigation. This news has sent shockwaves through the financial industry, raising concerns about the integrity of the regulatory body and the implications for investor confidence. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. Please like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in crypto news and updates.